Hey, welcome to SEMA 2025. I'm Brian Zorman over here at the Ford Performance Parts and Accessories booth. What I have behind me is our new Bronco Ford Performance ORV Package. First off, everybody loves power upgrades. What we have here is a 2.3 liter engine. So our Ford Performance calibration brings the power up to 330 horsepower and 385 foot-pounds of torque. Or if you have the 2.7 liter engine, it will generate 355 horsepower and 433 foot-pounds of torque. Suspension-wise, we added our Haas 3.0 Fox shocks. We have our WELD wheel to fit our 35-inch tire. From there, also, to go with the wheels and the suspension, we have our Havoc off-road fender flares to widen the stance just a little bit to protect the paint and everything a little bit more when we're adding these 35-inch tires. And to go with that, we have our Bronco Raptor front skid plate and fuel tank. So just to give the customer that little extra comfort of if they hit a rock or something, we have pulled from our Ford Performance Bronco Raptor, our beefed up front and underbelly skid plate for the fuel tank. You also get the Bronco Raptor off-road fog lights. So to add on to the Ford Performance package, we added some just standout Bronco lettering. From there, we added some extra graphics and everything. So we have our stealth hood graphic. We include our A-pillar rigid lights, completely plug and play. And to go with the light, we actually offer our auxiliary switch kit that goes up inside if your Bronco doesn't come with it. So what we have here is not part of the package, but our new option coming out is the Best Top E-Top. This Bronco vehicle package is going to be available at any dealer through the Ford Custom Garage. The best part about it is you will keep your factory warranty of your 3-year, 36,000 miles. So when you get this package, there is nothing to worry about.